And now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Have a great day, Sea Lions.
We wish you well. We wish you well. All through the day, we wish you well.
Happy Veterans Day!
This is Sea Lion leader Jeremiah Villa with this week's announcements. Welcome back from your long weekend. I hope you had time to celebrate a veteran. Sea Lion chorus rehearsal is on Tuesday at 7:20 in the morning. Let's remember to be safe during drop-off. Dining for McGall is back at Domino's Pizza. Feed the family and support McGall's at the same time by ordering from Domino's on Tuesday. We will have a fire drill on Tuesday. Remember to listen to your teachers and practice being safe. PTA's Teacher of the Day is on Wednesday. Thanks to all the parents who donated to make this fun event possible. Have fun, teachers. It's Makeup Picture Day on Wednesday. Be sure to wear your finest clothes for that school picture. LoSal Superintendent Dr. Pulver will be visiting McGall on Thursday morning. Let's show him our raw behavior and scholarly traits. Pageant rehearsal is on Thursday after school. The second grade performance is happening on Thursday at 6 p.m. Have a great show. Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Have a fantastic week.
I got a Robux.
Yeah.
Universal Transitional Kindergarten.
Our winner for TK is Rhea Tulay. Rhea is so responsible. She always looks for a way to help, and she really likes to pick up equipment. Thanks so much, Rhea, for being a super sea lion.
Kindergarten.
Congratulations to kindergarten student from Miss Sizemore's class, Nolan Beverly. Nolan was responsible in class by finishing his work before he went to free choice. Thanks so much for making good choices out there in kindergarten land. Way to go, Nolan.
First grade.
Hey friends, it looks like we didn't have any Robux in first grade this week, so I'm going to get out there this next week and we're going to give out 2 awards. Thanks so much, first graders, for being patient.
Second grade.
Congratulations to second grader from Miss Brindell's class, Zaya Adams. Zaya did a fantastic job of showing second graders how to clean up their lunch trash. And this is going to be a topic that we will visit all throughout the week to make sure that our sea lions are doing their best at the lunch tables. Thanks so much, Zaya.
Third grade.
Congratulations to third grader Isaiah Sowles. Isaiah got a Robux because he did so well at focusing in STEM class and for coming up with some creative ideas. He was also a great partner. Thanks so much, Isaiah.
Fourth grade.
Congratulations to fourth grader Desi Vigliotti. Mrs. Alvarado says that Des was so incredible during morning meeting. He was being respectful, he was participating, and he was a great role model for everyone in class. Thanks so much, Des, for doing the right thing over and over again. We appreciate you.
Fifth grade.
Our winner in fifth grade is Delfino Lewis. Delfino got a Robux from Miss Cynthia Miller because he recognized a peer who was very upset and he offered his library book to cheer her up. Way to go, Del. We love how you are being a leader out there on campus.
That's a wrap, Sea Lions. Have a great week.
And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye!